Hi there, just to be here. Let's take a look at advanced filtering on content. Click the down arrow and you notice there is a text filter. So what we want to do is we want to equal to, and we're going to go in here and we're going to type Cartwright and click OK. There we go. And of course we have two of those, so we found them very quickly. Now we're going to clear that. Now notice when I click the down arrow here, I can clear. I do not have to go up to the data ribbon and clear it. I can clear it right there. We're going to try a different one. We are looking for last names that contain something. You know, it could be Elizabeth and it contains Beth, something like that. But in this particular case, what we're going to look for is it contains T-O-N. So we know it's at the end of someone's name is T-O-N. Not sure, maybe the first part of the name. But remember, it ends in T-O-N. So we click OK. There you go. So we got a bunch of them there. So it works very, very well. Now, one of the other things we might want to do is pull names based on text, you know, between certain letters. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go right back to text filter. We're going to go to custom filter. And here we're going to start out here with the drop down, and we want greater than. So greater than or equal to, and we're going to put M in there. And then the next one is going to be an. We want less than or equal to. You have to scroll a little extra there. And here we're going to put in a Q. And then click OK. So notice here we have our M's. And as you get down a little further, you'll notice O and P. We have dates over here. So what about dealing with dates? So what we want to do is go to the date filter, and we want before a certain date. So in here, you'll notice that you can click the down arrow and you can choose any one of the dates you currently have in the column. And that's the best way to do this. March 19th, 2010. Yes, before that. So there we go. You'll notice we have our 09, 6, 7, and 8 dates there, even down to 5 and 4. We really go out there, don't we? Okay, we're going to clear that. And we're going to come back in and we're going to do dates between certain dates. So here at the top, it's going to be after or equal to, and we're going to choose 319. There we go. And then is before or equal to. And let's do 11, 7, 10. Click OK. There we go. Now, if you look at the dates, you know, there we have it. 10, our year, and it goes down to 9. But you'll notice it doesn't go beyond 9. Have a good one.